Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a brush cleaning video. I have 2 weddings this weekend that I will be doing hair and makeup for, so we're going to be doing a deep cleaning on my tools to prep them for the services I'll be doing tomorrow and Saturday. So if you want to see how to clean and sanitize your makeup brushes, then just keep watching the video. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is grab some Dawn antibacterial soap. I like using dishwashing soap because it really breaks down the makeup products and gets them super deep cleaned. So I like to wash my brushes, I would say as often as possible, but at least if I'm done with all my weddings for the weekend, it's like a weekly cleaning. Before each wedding or after each wedding, I do clean them with like a Cinema Secret solution that helps break them down, but they do still need, although that does sanitize and clean them in between clients when you're working, you still need to deep clean them to get rid of any buildup or bacteria that has been left behind. So now we're going to start off. I use a little silicone mat that has ridges that helps get really into the brushes and cleans them very well. So I don't know where I got this one. I might have gotten it from Ulta, but you can find them on Amazon. There's even mitts that you can buy, and you just slip them on over your hand and just wash them right onto the mitt. So yeah, so I've had this one for a while. So you just kind of soap it up and start individually going through and scrubbing until the water runs clean, essentially. A lot of these brushes, especially the foundation ones and any cream ones, are going to be a little bit tougher because you may have to just wash them a little bit more to try and get all that residue off. Once you do, I take the brush and I use a clean towel and I just brush it onto the towel and try to get rid of as much of the moisture as possible, and then hang it up in my little brush holder. And in the case of bigger brushes that soak in a lot of moisture, I love using this machine. It's called the Style Pro, and I can't remember where I got it, but I think you can just search Style Pro, and I'm sure you can find an off-brand version on Amazon or even the same version. But what it does is this tool has these little attachments. You attach the brush and it spins the brush and gets rid of all this excess moisture. Like, look at all that's still in there. And once you feel it, it's pretty much dry. But I still like to leave it overnight so that it gets fully dry and ready for the next day. The Style Pro does come with a solution that you can use, and that really cleans them in like 3 seconds. You put the solution in there, you dip the brush, you spin it, and then it dries it super quick. So if you don't want to spend a lot of time cleaning brushes, or if you're in a hurry and maybe you just finished a late shoot or a late wedding and then you have to turn around and do it again in the morning, get the solution that comes with the Style Pro, and it is super quick to use. Or use Cinema Secrets to help quickly break it down and get it nice and dry for you. So next thing I do is I take like the smaller brushes and I just bunch them all together and brush them all at the same time, because there's really no sense in doing it separately because they take so long. But I just grab them all together and I swish them around in the soap and rinse them out, and that's about it. Next, I use this alcohol. You can use like a cleaning like spray or anything, and I spray that on the handles to help disinfect and clean the handles, because a lot of times there's just makeup that gets on them and you want them to look presentable for the next time that you use them. Then I have this little tin from Cinema Secrets, and this brush cleaner. It is called, the brand is Felix. I think I got it from Amazon. I got this brand because a makeup artist on Instagram suggested it because I believe it's cheaper than Cinema Secrets and it works just the same. I don't know if it works exactly the same. It does get the brushes pretty clean and sanitized, but I feel like the Cinema Secrets actually helps break it down a little bit more because I feel like I have a harder time getting the makeup off when I use this product versus when I use Cinema Secrets. The makeup pretty much melts off the brush. So I feel like I have to use more of the solution in order to get it clean. But I don't know. I'll have to test them side by side to actually see if there's a big difference. But I have been using it and it's been fine. I also saw some people on Instagram doing their own solution. So you can also go that route if you don't want to spend a lot of money. So that is it for the brushes. If you want me to make a how to clean and sanitize your hair brushes and also do a hair kit tour, then let me know and I can do that next on the next video. Thanks for watching.